Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make green apple kuchla or grated apple pickle. This recipe is great because mangoes are seasonal and whenever you feel like some kuchla, just get some green apple which is available all year round and make your kuchla. So let's get started.
I've got here 6 green apples or Granny Smith apples, 3 teaspoons of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of salt, 8 cloves of grated garlic, half a cup of mustard oil or you can use any oil of your choice, 3 tablespoons of ready pickle mix. This is what it looks like. You can get it from any Indian shop. 3 tablespoons of brown sugar or you can use raw sugar, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 sprig of chopped curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida or Hing, and 1 large chili which I have made it into a paste. You will also need 2 dishes, a strainer or a colander, and a grater with big holes. Peel and grate the apples. Take your grated apples, add salt and turmeric and mix it well. Place your strainer inside the dish, tip the grated apples into the strainer, use the back of a spoon and press it down to squeeze out as much juice as possible. Put a lid on and let it drain for 4 to 6 hours or overnight. Take the drained apples, put it on a plate, spread it evenly and put it in the sun to dry for 2 hours, giving it a mix every now and then. After 2 hours, bring the plate inside and put it aside. Take a non-stick fry pan, put it on medium heat, add oil and heat it. When the oil gets hot, lower the heat, add mustard seeds, give it a mix and wait until it starts to pop. Add garlic and chili, give it a quick mix and cook it until the garlic just starts to change color. Add asafoetida or hing and curry leaves. Give it a mix and cook it for 10 seconds. Add sugar, give it a mix and cook it for 1 minute. Add grated apples, give it a mix and cook it for 5 minutes, stirring it frequently to dry up any liquid remaining in the apples. This method is great in winter or during the rainy season as it is difficult to dry the apples properly. Add pickle mix and mix it well to combine. Turn the heat off, take it out in a dish and let it cool down completely. My grated green apple kuchla or grated apple pickle is ready. Put it in a sealed container in the fridge for months and save it to family and friends. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.